Hello gorgeous viewers and welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting and luscious topic to explore, the battle of lip products. We'll be comparing two popular options, lip gel and lip gloss. If you're looking for the perfect pout enhancer, you're in for a treat. Let's dive into this lip gel versus lip gloss showdown and discover which one will give you the ultimate kissable lips. Let's start with an introduction to lip gel. Lip gel is a smooth and lightweight formula that glides on effortlessly, leaving your lips with a natural and glossy finish. It is designed to hydrate and condition your lips, providing a soft and supple feel throughout the day. Lip gel often comes with sheer or translucent colors, enhancing your lips' natural beauty. Now, let's unveil the lip gloss. Lip gloss is the ultimate shine booster, delivering a high gloss and mirror-like effect to your lips. It comes in a variety of shades, from clear to vibrant colors, allowing you to express your personality and style. Lip gloss is perfect for adding a touch of glam and drama to your overall look. When it comes to texture and finish, lip gel and lip gloss offer different effects. Lip gel has a lightweight and gel-like texture, which feels comfortable and hydrating on the lips. Its finish is more natural and dewy, adding a subtle touch of shine to your pout. On the other hand, lip gloss has a thicker and stickier texture, providing an intense and high shine finish that reflects light beautifully. Both lip gel and lip gloss offer hydration and nourishment to your lips. Lip gel contains ingredients like hyaluronic acid and natural oils, which help to keep your lips moisturized and soft. Lip gloss often includes nourishing oils like jojoba or shea butter, providing a smooth and comfortable feel while preventing dryness. Lip gel and lip gloss differ in color intensity and versatility. Lip gel usually offers a more subtle and sheer tint, enhancing your lips' natural color without overpowering. It's perfect for everyday wear or when you want a no-makeup look. On the other hand, lip gloss comes in a wide range of colors and finishes, from clear gloss to bold pigments, making it suitable for various occasions and moods. Longevity and wearability are crucial factors to consider when choosing between lip gel and lip gloss. Lip gel tends to have a longer-lasting effect on the lips, providing continuous hydration throughout the day. However, its color may fade more quickly compared to lip gloss. Lip gloss, though it may require more frequent touch-ups, gives your lips an instantly glamorous look. Both lip gel and lip gloss are effortless to apply, but they offer different sensations to the lips. Lip gel glides on smoothly, feeling lightweight and comfortable. It's perfect for those who prefer a natural and easy-to-wear lip product. Lip gloss has a thicker texture, while some may find stickier, but it provides a bold and eye-catching finish that demands attention. Overall, the choice between lip gel and lip gloss depends on your personal preferences and the look you want to achieve. Lip gel offers a natural and hydrating feel, ideal for a subtle and everyday glow. On the other hand, lip gloss delivers an intense shine and color, perfect for adding a touch of drama and glamour to your lips. Thank you for joining us for this lip gel versus lip gloss showdown. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more beauty and makeup tips. Share your favorite lip product in the comments below. Until next time, pucker up and keep rocking those fabulous lips. Bye!